Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to access the new Testwise platform and get started with your testing journey. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your browser. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Make sure you have an active internet connection. Step 2. Go to the official Testwise URL in the browser's address bar. Type the following URL: https www.testwise platform code press. Enter to load the page. Step 3. Log in or create an account. Once the page loads, you'll see a login screen. If you already have a Testwise account, enter your username and password, then click Login. If you're new to Testwise, click on Create an account. You'll need to provide your email, create a secure password, and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 4. Access the platform dashboard. After logging in or creating your account, you'll be directed to your Testwise dashboard. Here, you can manage your tests, check progress, and access other features of the platform. Step 5. Explore the features. Take some time to explore the new interface. Testwise offers a variety of tools and features designed to help streamline your testing process, from designing tests to analyzing results. Use the navigation bar to check out the different sections. Step 6. Start a new test or review existing ones. To get started with testing, click on New Test to create a new testing project. Alternatively, you can click on My Tests to review previously created tests. That's it. You're all set to start using the new Testwise platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy testing!